made the cut. I'm on the calendar. Moose visit. The next one probably says, yay, moose left.
It's finally gone.
God damn, it took forever. You're always welcome at where are we at?
Homestead
Oh,
Hill.
Homestead Hill. He's got me down. He's like, I can't wait till Moose leaves. I can't blame him. I can't stand myself.
Here's your helmet. What's your hurry?
Get your shit on, go. I got your packed stuff all packed on the bike.
I packed the bike for you.
We're going to get Indian food, hopefully.
Yeah.
We appear to be a little bit stuck. Oh, we got pavement. We got pavement. We're going. Oh, Jesus. Man, I may not want to park there later.
Yeah.
Holy. Update, sitting here at Mike's, drinking water, watching the puppies play, watching some videos on YouTube. It's Tuesday night. Just having a blast. Had some good steaks yesterday and good conversations and just having a good old time. There's Mikey.
Oh.
Here he is.
What's up, yo?
I'm kidding. The camera's not big enough to catch the action.
Yeah, he's got a wide angle lens. I like this little Osmo Pocket.
So that, it can even see me now, right?
It's tracking you right now.
Wow.
It's tracking your head.
Oh.
Yeah. Works pretty good.
That's a nice camera.
Yeah, I like the little Osmo Pocket 3.
So if I walk around with it,
I bought it a couple years ago. I've been using it a lot more this year.
Let me in. I'm a bogus gas man. I want to ransack your house.
Oh my God, you killed it. It just stopped.
Wow.
The lens went red. That's funny. Alright, so you saw the video downstairs. My KLIM and I talking, goofing around down there a little bit, having some fun. But I wanted to take you through real quick of my stay while here. So far it's been really good. Tomorrow's Wednesday. It will be the 27th of May tomorrow. Wednesday will be my last full day here at Mike's. I leave Thursday probably around 11ish to head for Woodstock, Georgia, where I will be staying at the Micro Inn and Suites in Wyndham, Woodstock, Atlanta North. And Woodstock is the area that Traction Dynamics is located. So I will be having suspension work done to the Gold Wing. Front and rear shocks, metal tie rods from them, air cleaner, and the drop kit will also be going on there just because I drop it, and a few odds and ends. And I'll check this front suspension out for the motorcycle to make sure that the front end jiggle I had last year is fixed. But doing all that and looking forward to it, a little apprehensive about spending that much money on the Gold Wing. It's a 2019. I got it in 2020, so I've had it 6 years, 6 riding seasons. And so I'll have new suspension out for the 6th riding season. So I guess I've had it 5 riding seasons where I did not have that kind of suspension. It's a lot of money to throw at something that's older, but I expect to keep this bike well over 100,000 miles if all goes well. So that's for another video. I wanted to do a really quick touch base on the stay here. Had a lot of fun with Mike and Kimberly. We went out to lunch today. We had great steaks on Memorial Day. If you saw that, that was fun. And all in all, it's just nice hanging out with good friends and having some fun when you get the chance. So I'm enjoying that. And as for the room, it's where I've stayed before. I've always been in this room, at least for the last so many years that I've visited here. It's Mike's music room. He has a mattress that he folds down when I'm here, so he doesn't really get to practice the saxophone probably when I'm here. I feel bad for that. And I think he showed this off on his music videos. I'll make sure tomorrow before I post this. But these are his different saxophones. He's got a really nice layout for his music room. He's got nice lighting here for the YouTube videos he does. And this is my mess. This is my little Ninja blender, which I will be going over shortly, probably in a hotel. that thing's been great on the trip for making smoothies and overnight oats. This is his other beautiful saxophone and his other saxophone and I guess guitars. Small keyboard. He has a mixing thing around here, I think. Mixing stuff. So he's got quite a nice setup in here. It's really, really nice. He's done real well with that. And it's a nice place to sleep. I can tell you, still young enough to get up off the floor because this mattress is on the floor. I think this could be rough in my 50s, but I'm exercising, so hopefully that's not a problem. I just basically wanted to go over the basic stuff that we've been doing. So as I mentioned, I got here on Sunday night. Rolled in here right around 3 o'clock. Did a moto vlog and tested my mics, which worked out pretty well, I think. We had dinner here that night that Kimberly prepared. Nice roast beef and potatoes and rice. Very good, very tasty. Then later that night I had my burritos I had frozen that I had at the park. And had those for my midnight dinner that I usually have when working second shift. Monday, woke up and hung around the house till probably around 11 or 12. And then we went to the butcher here and got 3 beautiful T-bones, 4.55 pounds for the 3 of them together, and cooked those for Memorial Day. And a little grill that Mike bought that folds open. You've probably seen the videos of that by now. That's on his channel and a few shorts on mine. Ate those steaks with potatoes, salad, and just beautiful, beautiful time, beautiful meal, fun with friends, and had a great time. Tuesday, which was the day we're finishing now, went and had picked his dogs up from the groomers and had a lunch/dinner at I can't remember the name of the place, but it was like a Cracker Barrel, but quieter. So had fried pork chops.
Fried pork chops, baked potatoes, apple cobbler, pinto beans. And Mike made me get the hot sauce. Could I have the coffee?
There, really good. Mashed potatoes, lima beans, and a biscuit. And I brought half of that home and ate that for another meal. Then I had my other burritos I had left, which were enough for 2. I had those tonight, along with some rice cakes and things like that. So eating healthier on the road, eating better, trying to still keep the calories down while enjoying myself, because I know that, I'm on a trip, I still want to have fun. Tomorrow, I'm really excited about, or I guess today I should say, but tomorrow, the new day, we will be going to the Indian restaurant. Oh, I love the Indian buffet foods. I'm so looking forward to that. I am going to eat more than I should eat.
Okay, so we couldn't find a buffet, but we got rice, a whole bunch of different curries Mike ordered for us. A beautiful plate of food. This is, it's all very good. Really enjoying this. Didn't need a buffet, we made our own.
Tomorrow, so that is the plan for tomorrow. But this is a rundown of what's been going on so far on the trip. Mike might take the Gold Wing out tomorrow and do a moto vlog, which I'd like to see, because I think that'd be nice to see him on a motorcycle again. So I'm hoping that can happen. And I'll get some footage of that if it does, of him leaving and coming back. Obviously, I'm not going with him. We're not doing 2 old dudes on a Gold Wing. This isn't that kind of channel. But keep tuned. Stay tuned. There'll be hopefully more from this trip. This is a test trip for my new setup of vlogging and videos, and eating healthier and wiser on the road, which I think is very important, especially in these days, in the times we're in right now, with everything being so expensive. You need to save money where you can if possible. Initial startup of the stuff you need to make it might be expensive, but the overall outcome is to eat healthier, be healthier, and be all being able to do the things you need to do in your older years and not being reliant on someone else, if at all possible. So until the next video, get out there and see something.